Welcome to our channel 1 to Step. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find Casetify promo code. So follow the steps so you guys can find a promo code for yourself as well. And before I show you the steps, hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. Now let's move on. First step, you want to search this website called Coupon Follow. And once you search for it, the first option over here, you want to click on it. And once you click on it, it's going to take you to couponfollow.com, which is its official website. Now once you're in this page, at the top you can see the search bar. You want to click on it and you want to search for Casetify. Once you write Casetify, it's going to show you casetify.com. You want to click on it, then it's going to show you all the promo codes available for Casetify over here just like this. Now from all of this, choose the one which you like. Let's say I like this one, so I'm going to click on 10% off and then it's going to show me the promo code for the 10% off. Now what I can do is copy it, and during my checkout time in casetify.com I can paste this promo code and it will be applied and I will get my 10% off on Casetify's purchase, any purchase I make. So that's how we guys can find Casetify promo code. Hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step for future videos like this.